Hey, this is Jake with Avi-on. Let us talk about logging into an existing account. The Avi-on lighting system can be programmed using a smart device like a tablet or phone. The application is available on both Android and iOS platforms. With the app downloaded, open the app. Select yes to any of the permissions that pop up like Bluetooth and location. You have an account that is already created, and you have received an email address and a password for this account. Enter the email address and the password that was given to you, then select Login. The first time you log into a system, the app will show you a brief tour of some of its capabilities. You can scroll through the pages or select Dismiss in the top right. The app connects to your system in two ways: either a remote connection when you have a remote access bridge installed, or connects directly to an Avi-on device close by using the Bluetooth in your tablet or phone. If neither one of these are available, the app will pop up a warning stating that it cannot find the network. It will not let you continue until you are within range of the wireless network. And that's how easy it is to log into an existing account.